Hey everybody, this is Christian Givens, your favorite D&B realtor. Today we are checking out this quick move-in home built by Caruso Homes. This is the Kingsport II model, and this is currently listed at $1,250,000. And it's a pretty big home. I think you'll like it. Let's see what you can get here in Fairview. All right, as you guys walk into your home, you have this grand two-story foyer area, beautiful cascading wood staircase. To my right, you have your living room. Coming on this side of the foyer, you have your dining room. You have the chair railing, the crown molding, these really high baseboards to add some depth to the room. Let's go this way into the heart of the home. We have your kitchen, huge island. Personally, this island would need a waterfall edge for me. I would just change that. But other than that, it's a very functional design here. As you guys can see, you have this large island, your stainless steel appliances. These are white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops. And then going this way, you have your entry to your two-car garage. Plus, you have your walk-in pantry. On this side of the kitchen, you have your large eating area. Also could be additional seating area. Lots of natural sunlight. And the showstopper in this home for sure is this two-story grand great room with the coffered ceilings. And of course, those windows above letting in so much extra natural sunlight. For those of you who need this is perfect. We have a first floor bedroom. This would be a great in-law suite, allowing to have like a multi-gen living aspect to it. It does have its own ensuite bathroom. The shower that's been tiled all the way to the ceiling. And you get your powder room as well. All right, guys, let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. All right, here's bedroom number 1 on this level. As you can see, this is a large bedroom. Also has a walk-in closet. This is a Jack and Jill style bathroom, so you have a double vanity sink here. And then here is the second bedroom on this level with a walk-in closet. All in all, the home has about 5,300 square feet of living space. And you're on about 0.82 acres, so you get a lot of land as well. Although your backyard is not massive, but we are overlooking into your great room now. As you can see, very beautiful. Of course, it has the really cool catwalk. Here is your laundry area. Bedroom number 3 on this floor has its own private ensuite. Closet space. So still a decent closet, just not walk-in. And you would love how large this primary bedroom is. You can see so much seating area. Bed can go here, bed can go here. However you want to lay this out, you have so many options. You also get 2 walk-in closets. So closet number 1 and then closet number 2 over here. All right, here is your primary bathroom, which has these nice tile flooring, soak-in tub here. You do get 2 double vanity sinks here and here. And then behind you guys, we have this large walk-in shower. Water closet is over there. And we have more home to see. We have a basement, which is partially finished. You have some rooms that can be done still, but for the most part, you're about 90% done. Let's check it out. All right, you guys, so here is the lower level recreation room. We're gonna start things off by showing you guys that there's another bathroom in the home, which is a full bathroom. So there is space to actually do another bedroom down here. This room has a full window that actually could function as a bedroom. But here's the rest of the recreation room. Here, as you can see, also has really high ceiling heights. I'm about 5'9", 5'10", so plenty of space. Extra seating area over here, and you have a media room. Go upstairs and check. All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. Remember, my name is Christian Givens. I am a realtor here in the DMV area. If you are looking for new construction, resale, or you need to sell a property here in the DMV area, I hope you reach out to me. If this is your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you're returning, as always, I appreciate your support. Grace and peace.